Hey investors, welcome back to Stoxpot, your go-to podcast to unpack what's happening around various stocks, industries and economy. It's me LEKSHMANmj, and today we are diving into an industry that sparkles with tradition, culture and innovation. Yes, it's the Indian jewellery sector. Do you know that India is the second largest consumer of gold jewellery globally? And not just that, do you know that this market is set to grow threefold in just over a decade? So whether you're curious about trends, challenges or opportunities, this episode will leave you dazzled. So grab your headphones, sit back and let's explore what makes this glittering world tick. The Indian jewellery market is valued at approximately $85 billion as of FY24 and is projected to reach $245 billion by FY35, growing at a CAGR of 10%. This growth is driven by rising disposable income, urbanization and evolving consumer preferences. Over the last few years, weddings, festivals and even everyday purchases have fueled demand. People are not only buying heavy traditional pieces, they also prefer lightweight designs perfect for daily wear. Younger consumers, especially working women, prefer versatile and minimalistic styles. So these shifts explain why jewelry companies are innovating to meet changing tastes. Now looking on rural versus urban markets, rural areas simply love gold, especially localized designs, while urban buyers lean more towards branded contemporary collections. This diversity creates vast opportunities for businesses. Now let's see some of the key trends shaping this sector. One major trend is the rise in household savings through physical assets like gold. In FY23, savings in gold and silver ornaments grew by 39% year-on-year because high inflation made people to shift from financial assets to tangible ones like gold, which holds value better during uncertain times like these. Another big change in this sector is digital transformation. Jewelry e-commerce platforms are booming because they offer convenience and competitive pricing. On the other side, to withstand this competition, brick and mortar stores are adopting omni-channel strategies like online browsing coupled with in-store experiences to stay relevant. Now looking on diamond markets, lab-grown diamonds are also shaking things up. Eco-conscious buyers prefer lab-grown diamonds over mined diamonds. This impacts sales of traditional jewelers. And then there is surge in gold prices as well. During Dussehra 2024, gold hit around 75,700 rupees per 10 grams, which is up 22.7% from the previous year. While higher prices reduced sales volumes, revenues still rose due to premium pricing. Despite its shine, the jewellery sector faces few hurdles. First, fluctuations in gold prices create cost pressures for retailers and buyers. Next, a shortage of skilled labor is another issue. By 2025, the sector needs 2 million skilled workers to meet demand. Training programs are underway, however, progress takes time. Next, geopolitical tensions also disrupt supply chains. For instance, sanctions on Russian diamond hurts India's diamond trade, with exports dropping from $25 billion in 2022 to $18 billion in 2023-24. This volatility forces traders to rethink sourcing strategies. Now to talk about opportunities, there is no shortage for the same in the sector. Online jewelry retail is expected to hit $1.5 billion by 2025, thanks to increasing internet penetration and tech-savvy shoppers. So at this juncture, brands investing in digital marketing and seamless online experiences will thrive. Customized jewelry is another bright spot. Consumers want unique designs tailored to their tastes. Tools like 3D printing makes intricate customization possible, opening doors for creative entrepreneurs in the space. Next, sustainability is also gaining traction in the sector. Recycled materials, conflict-free diamonds, and eco-friendly practices appeal to modern buyers. The global sustainable jewelry market could reach $2.5 billion by 2025. Now looking on regulatory framework to ensure quality and transparency, in June 2021, the government introduced mandatory hallmarking for gold and silver jewelry. A recent reduction in GST rates from 3% to 1.5% aims to boost affordability, and export incentives like a 4% interest subsidy also supports international expansions. These measures promote trust among buyers and encourage formalization of the unorganized sector. However, compliance costs remain high, posing challenges for smaller players. Now looking ahead, the organized segment is poised to grow faster, capturing 42 to 43% of market by FY28. Pan-India retail chains will dominate, offering consistent quality and trust. International expansions is also on the cards, with brands targeting regions like US, Canada, and Europe. Innovation will be key. From AI-driven design tools to blockchain for supply chain transparency, technology will redefine how jewelry is created, sold, and perceived. And that brings us to the end of today's episode on Indian jewelry sector. From cultural tradition to cutting-edge innovation, this industry truly shines bright. And if you find this episode insightful, make sure you follow and share this with your friends. Until next time, it's me LEKSHMANmj signing off.